Hello and welcome back to Daily Easy English. Today we are going to spend a peaceful afternoon in the park. After lunch, I decide to go outside. The weather is beautiful and fresh. The sky is bright blue and the sun is shining softly. When I arrive at the park, I see many people. Some are walking slowly. Some are jogging. Others are sitting on the grass and talking with friends. I walk along a quiet path. I can hear birds singing in the trees. The leaves move gently in the wind. I find an empty bench and sit down. I take a deep breath. The fresh air makes me feel relaxed and calm. A little boy is flying a kite. An old couple is feeding the birds. Everything feels peaceful and simple. Spending time in nature helps me clear my mind. It gives me energy for the rest of the day. Now, I will say some sentences. This is a great way to practice and learn. Please repeat after me. I decide to go outside. I decide to go outside. I go to the park. I go to the park. The air is fresh. The air is fresh. I walk slowly. I walk slowly. Birds are singing. Birds are singing. I feel peaceful and relaxed. I feel peaceful and relaxed. Fantastic work today. Every small step makes your English stronger. Thank you for listening. This is Daily Easy English. See you in the next lesson.